All right, so I learned a lesson. Just because you can get a 5-pack off of Amazon and it's cheap doesn't make it worth your money. I tell you what, let me show you what I got here. And a bunch of extra labor that I didn't need to do, but I did need to do it, but I shouldn't have had to. All right, so I got a correction to make. I made a video about how to change the starter in this Craftsman LT1000. It's got the Briggs opposed twin. And the information was good about how to change the starter, but I got to say, the $2.10 part that I put in it is just not worth the salt. So we're changing it for a third time, and I'm replacing it with a motor, a starter motor, and a gear that's original. So stay tuned, and I'll show you the difference between the two. All right, so here we are. We're looking at the two starters. This is an aftermarket starter that I put on this tractor. And it was working just fine until eventually the teeth just wore out on the gear. This is not the one. This is actually the second replacement. And what I mean by that is when the teeth wore out, I went on Amazon, bought some gears for $2.10 a piece. I think about a 5-pack, and I'll link to the video of me replacing the starter. And then my friends who own this tractor said, hey, there's a problem. So I came down, and the starter gear was broken like this. So I replaced it because, like I said, I bought a 5-pack. Well, we joked around about how you only get about 12 starts out of it before it breaks. And I tell you what, I don't think it even got that many. These plastic parts from Amazon for $2.10, absolutely trash. Also, if you look closely at this plastic, you can see there's like little inconsistencies and in bubbles in the plastic, so no wonder the strength of it was compromised. Just cheaply made. So I went to the local small engine repair shop and I got an OEM gear for that. But to get my friends up and running, I took a different starter off another tractor that had the exact same engine. This has an OEM gear on it. We're going to put this on it to get their tractor started so they start mowing grass. And this one's going back to the shop for a future project. So there is my video reason for making the video, is to tell you, don't waste your time on $2.10 parts. Get the original. All right, thanks. So there's what's left of the gears that I got off of Amazon. You'll see what happens. That's the second one that just broke in half. So these are the part numbers. And you see I got $2.10 a piece that I paid for them. But you know what? This is what's happening to them right here. They're just not worth it. Go get yourself an OEM $6 and save yourself the hassle of having to replace the gear on these starters so often because of cheap parts.